Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jack stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BIGREDT4220 Torin steel jack stands. If you own a car, you simply need a pair of jack stands. The BIGRED model is sturdy, ASME certified, and fully tested to offer the reliable support to your vehicle during repairs. With the weight of 26 pounds, this pair of jack stands won't be a pain to move around. The dual-purpose handle can be used for transporting the device, and as a saddle column release. As for the height, it will be enough for such car jobs as changing the suspension or dropping the exhaust. Finally, the jacks that let you get under the car with due comfort. Now to the foot base. Its pyramid shape adds more strength and stabilizes the unit for more safety. Your car will be firmly fixed above the ground, and the quality welded frame will make sure it stays there with no issues. The jacks can easily support small cars as well as SUVs or light-duty trucks, with the overall capacity being 24,000 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the ProLift heavy-duty 6-ton jack stands pair. The model from ProLift will do the literal heavy lifting for you, and you'd probably be wise to let it. With 18x 12x 10 inches in overall dimensions and 26.4 pounds of weight, the model is actually rather lightweight. Not if you compare it to any other jack stand, of course, but to the heavy-duty ones that, just like the model in question, are capable of supporting the weight of up to 6 tons, 12,000 pounds. The fact that it will easily be able to uphold even some of the heaviest pickups goes without question. Hell, it could probably lift a small bus. But the load capacity is not the only impressive thing about these stands. For instance, there's also the quality of materials. The base itself is made of sturdy stamped steel, while the ratchet bar is comprised of a high-quality cast ductile iron. Both the bar and the base give this model the sort of endurance and longevity that makes it great for home and farm use just as well as it does for professional purposes. At number 3, we have the BIGREDT46202 Torin steel jack stands. Though a bit out there, we can't blame Torin for calling this product Big Red, as it is a pretty fitting name for a device like that. The read part of the name is, hopefully, self-explanatory enough, and the big part is hard to argue as well, given that the whole thing adds up to precisely 18.5x 11.8x 10.2 inches in overall dimensions and 29.3 pounds of weight. This kind of weight makes the model one of the heavier options on the market, but this particular downside was a necessary price to pay for its considerable load capacity of 6 tons, 12,000 pounds. As you would imagine, a load capacity like that means that these heavy-duty jack stands couldn't care less whether you drive a small sedan or a pickup truck. As long as it's not an M1 Abrams, the model will be able to support the weight of your vehicle. At number 2, we have the Performance Tool W41022 ratchet-style jack stand set. A few things make this pair of jack stands from Performance Tool such a popular choice among mechanics and car enthusiasts. First, there's the model's wide base that provides the ever-so-needed strength and stability under load. Speaking of which, the product features a load capacity of 3 tons, 6,000 pounds. These are the type of numbers that make it a pretty great option for regular cars and light-duty trucks. But any jack stand is only as good as the foundation allows it to be. And by the foundation, we mean the material that the manufacturers decide to go with when they were designing the product, which in this case is a sturdy and always reliable steel composition. The fact that both the aforementioned wide base and the frame are made of steel gives this model the sort of heavy-duty construction that we like to see in our jack stands. And finally, at number 1, we have the ProLift TT6903D double-pin jack stands. The ProLift Jewel stands may be the choice for you. Made of high-quality materials, they let you adjust the height, supporting up to 3 tons of load. With the high-quality ductile iron ratchet bar and a stamped steel base, this model is very sturdy and will serve you for an extended period of time. While it does wobble slightly on flat surfaces, this does not cause any stability issues. You're free to do the necessary repairs, and be sure that the car stays up no matter what. Enjoy the peace of mind when working under your vehicle with the double safety lock. The combination of handle locks plus the mobility pin is a win-win scenario. No need to worry that a sudden weight shift would cause the tooth to slip and lead to a collapse. Put your safety first and pick a pair of jacks that can actually guarantee it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.